Is your Nintendo Switch 2 suffering from the dreaded Joy-Con stick drift issue? It's a frustrating problem that can turn your gaming sessions into a struggle. Joy-Con drift occurs when the analog stick on your Switch controller starts moving inputs on its own, making your gaming avatar wander off without any input from you. If you're tired of losing games due to this problem, you've come to the right place. In this guide, we'll discuss how to fix the Nintendo Switch 2 Joy-Con stick drift issue with a series of practical steps to help you restore your controllers to optimal performance. Step 1. Clean the analog stick. The most common cause of Joy-Con drift is dirt and dust accumulating under the analog stick. To clean it, you'll need a can of compressed air and some isopropyl alcohol. Begin by turning off your Nintendo Switch and removing the Joy-Con controllers. Hold the analog stick to one side and gently spray compressed air into the base to dislodge any debris. Next, dip a cotton swab in isopropyl alcohol and gently clean around the stick's base. Allow it to dry completely before reattaching the Joy-Con and testing it on your Switch. Step 2. Calibrate the Joy-Con. If cleaning doesn't resolve the issue, recalibrating the Joy-Con might be necessary. Turn on the Nintendo Switch and navigate to the system settings. Select controllers and sensors and then calibrate control stick. Follow the on-screen instructions to recalibrate your Joy-Con sticks. This process can help realign the sensors and fix minor drift issues, giving you better control during gameplay. Step 3. Update your Joy-Con firmware. Keeping your Joy-Con firmware up to date is essential, as software updates can fix bugs and improve performance. To update your Joy-Con firmware, go to System Settings, select Controllers and Sensors, and then choose Update Controllers. Allow the system to search for and install any available updates. Once updated, test the Joy-Cons to see if the drift issue has been resolved. Step 4. Consider using conductive foam. If the drift persists, incorporate a piece of conductive foam into the Joy-Con. Open the Joy-Con with a tri-wing screwdriver, taking care not to damage any internal components. Insert a small square of conductive foam beneath the analog stick module to improve contact. Reassemble the Joy-Con and test it again on your Nintendo Switch. Step 5. Contact Nintendo support. If all else fails, it may be time to reach out to Nintendo support for professional help. Nintendo has acknowledged the Joy-Con drift issue and may offer free repairs or replacements. Before contacting support, ensure your console is backed up and your purchase details are handy to streamline the process. Joy-Con stick drift can be a real nuisance, but with the right tools and a little patience, you can address the issue and get back to enjoying your games. Whether you're cleaning the analog sticks, recalibrating through the system settings, updating the firmware, or even using conductive foam, these steps can breathe new life into your Joy-Con. Should these fixes not suffice, reaching out to Nintendo support is always an option. Remember, proper maintenance and care can significantly reduce the risk of drift occurring in the future. Happy gaming!